So when we first moved in, we looked at a conservatory and down the traditional route, but it was quite expensive, out of our price range. So when a few years later, when we came to this, we looked around and found conservatory land to be probably the easier option. We made an initial contact. I think we put a kind of online request in and got a call back pretty quickly afterwards. We had some conversations with the conservatory land salesperson, had a look through the magazine and kind of saw what was available. Wanted something that looked quite sleek and simple. We changed design a few times, tweaked what we wanted, and this is kind of what we came to that fitted the size and style we were after. We got it installed by one of their contractors. It just made it a far easier process. They were brilliant. They were friendly. They turned up promptly, and I think we were fully up in 3 days. Just shocked at how quickly it went from nothing to there. It completely opens up the downstairs. It gives us loads of space, both for working but also relaxing in the evening. Before, my desk was huddled under the stairs in a small dingy corner of the house. It's lovely to have a nice open space to do some work from. It's nice to sit inside and still feel part of what's going on outside. People around have seen it and very jealous of the extra space. So I've passed on the contact. Would definitely recommend them.